Everything that Inner City Law Center does is focused on housing and homelessness. When clients come to us, they usually are not just struggling with one issue. 44% of our clients have household incomes of under $10,000 a year, and a quarter of our clients come to us already experiencing homelessness. We work with our clients to try to figure out what does a pathway to stable housing look like, and then we work closely with them to tackle those issues and try to put them on that pathway.
When the wildfires devastated LA County, not only were many people's homes destroyed, but also many people's livelihoods. Inner City Law Center, in coalition with the Keep LA Housed Coalition, worked tirelessly for about 2 months to try to get tenant protections enacted for folks to protect those who were impacted by the fires economically, to make sure that if they were going to be evicted for non-payment, they had a defense for eviction.
With our effort, the Board of Supervisors passed an emergency motion. Because of an emergency motion, it applied over the entire county.
Last year, we recovered over $7.3 million for our homeless veteran clients, which means that veterans who have been on the streets now have access to health care, have access to monetary benefits, have access to housing support that they did not have before.
Under bringing families home, the lack of housing can actually have implications on the underlying dependency case. And for these parents, they're not just potentially losing their home, they're losing their child.
Inner City Law Center Bringing Families Home project is designed to ensure that by the time the family is ready to come back together, or ideally before they even get split apart, that the family has housing stability.
The HLP program is more important now than ever, even though the program is kind of focused on working with individuals with an HIV or AIDS diagnosis. In reality, the majority of the clients that we actually help underneath this grant are LGBTQIA.
We are also increasingly forcing landlords to not evict tenants when they are using what we call renovictions, but they're saying they're going to renovate their apartments, and then in practice, it's just a way to get tenants out, and they're not actually doing substantial renovations to the apartment.
We were also building our own case to show these renovations would not justify an eviction, and also that the landlords were not acting in good faith. The City Council had finally drafted an ordinance prohibiting this type of eviction. Astoundingly, the City Council not only passed that ordinance, but they made it apply to pending cases. The law has changed. We win.
The biggest thing holding back Inner City Law Center from doing more and having an even bigger impact for our clients is the lack of resources to be able to hire more staff. That requires donors, volunteers, supporters to step up and to enable our work to be possible.